Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this third lesson. Here, I'm going to talk about the references I'll be using while developing my characters. As I told you in the previous lesson, from our main idea, we are going to look for some images that can inspire us when we begin to develop our concepts. My references will be based on organic food, and they will have some features similar to human beings. Have a look at this first example. The woman we have here has a costume inspired by food. In this other, the food has become monstrous, but you can still see that it's food. There is a hamburger, a French fry, and a piece of meat. So you need to decide if you want a more humanized character or if you want to retain as much of the original food shape as possible. This example is from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Okay, I didn't choose it because it's a good movie, but because it's a colorful movie and because of the originality surrounding the food, especially in the second movie, because there are several characters developed from food. And I think that's remarkable and it's something to take into account. I'm focusing on the strawberry on the right because it's the thing that inspires me the most. I think it's a character that can get the attention of the general public, ranging from kids to adults. This references shows the veggies and fruit from the game Farm Heroes Saga. Well, in this case, it's Super Saga. Why not? I like the colors and the shiny eyes. I would also like to tell you that in this other example, this orange has some expressions that can be easily recognized. Its limbs are short, but the thing that varies is the eyes. This is from another movie called Sausage Party, in which there are a lot of characters with human personality. For example, a flatbread or a potato chip bag and a couple of cookies. Their features are just the ones that the authors gave to them, with the exceptions of things like the glasses that the bubblegum is wearing. They didn't add too many things, and that's something I want to have in mind. In this last example, we can see a cup of coffee and a cookie, and both of them show quite a personality, right? Despite not having any kind of background. So the expressions are doing most of the work. And well, see you in the next lesson.